Do I stress you out? My sweater's on backwards and inside out, and you say how appropriate. I don't dissect everything today. I don't mean to pick you apart, you see, but I can't help it. And there I go, jumping before the gunshot has gone off. Slap me with the splintered ruler, and it would knock me to the floor. But I was there already. If only I could hunt the hunter. And all I really want is some patience, a way to calm the angry lights. And all I really want is deliverance. Do I wear you out? You must wonder why I'm relentless and all strung out. I'm consumed by the chill of solitary. I'm like a Stella. I like to reel it in and then spit it out. I'm frustrated by your apathy, and I am frightened by the corrupted ways of this land. If only I could meet the maker. And I am fascinated by the spiritual man. I'm humbled by his humble nature. Yeah. And what I wouldn't give to find a soulmate, someone else to catch this drift. And what I wouldn't give to meet a kindred. Enough about me. Let's talk about you for a minute. Enough about you. Let's talk about life for a while. The conflicts, the craziness, and the sound of pretense is falling all around. All around. Why are you so petrified of silence? Here, can you handle this? Did you think about your bills, your ex, your deadlines? Or when you think you're gonna die? Or did you long for the next distraction? And all I need now is intellectual intercourse, a soul to take the whole much deeper. And I have no concept of time other than it is playing. If only I could kill the killer. And all I really want is some peace, man. A place to find a common ground. And all I really want is a wavelength. And all I really want is some comfort, a way to get my hands untied. And all I really want is some justice.
We're protected under Freeze's treaty.
Oh, yeah?